Are you planning to upgrade your water heater? Not sure whether to choose electric or gas? In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of both systems so you can make the best decision for your home. Electric water heater. Pros. Electric water heaters are clean, safe, and easy to install. They're perfect for small homes and apartments. With no need for gas lines or venting, installation is simple and affordable. Electric water heater. Cons. However, electric heaters can be slower to heat water and may cost more to operate over time. They also won't work during a power outage. Gas water heater. Pros. Gas water heaters heat water quickly and are ideal for large families. They work even during power failures and often have lower monthly operating costs. Gas water heater. Cons. But gas heaters require proper ventilation and gas line installation, which can increase upfront costs. There's also a risk of gas leaks or carbon monoxide if not maintained properly. Cost and efficiency. Electric heaters are cheaper to install but may cost more to run. Gas heaters are more efficient for high-demand households but come with higher setup costs. Safety and installation. Electric models are safer and easier to install. Gas models need ventilation and regular maintenance to stay safe. Final verdict. So, which one is right for you? If you want low upfront cost and easy setup, go electric. If you need fast heating and lower monthly bills, gas might be the better choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips.